Hairstylist, what's up? It's Val here. So as we can tell, it's an outfit of the week video. I filmed my outfits for this entire past work week. So we go from work clothes and then we go into a lockdown. So a little bit of loungewear in this 5-day outfit of the week video. I didn't want to do 7 because I'm now basically in loungewear all the time. So I hope you guys enjoy this vid and just make sure to subscribe and like the video if you like what you see. Here's the final look. The OOTD. I don't want to copy that girl, but the OOTW.
The outfit of the day, the OOTD, the OOTW.
But this is the outfit. Love it. It's cute. It's good for the weather today. Curls lasting from a haircut from a week ago. Put it in a half up situation. Knee ripped jeans from American Eagle. The top is from Winners. It's just like a nice little chiffon tank top thing. Belt is from Forever 21. Sit. Gentle, gentle. Feels comfortable. Hello and good morning. It is Wednesday. Today's outfit, as you can see, is very, how can I say it? Basic. These leather leggings are from Dynamite. This big, like, long top, it's actually like a t-shirt dress, so I always tie it up to like make it look more better than just like a boxy tee. It's from H&M. Yeah, like I said, very basic. It'll get me through today, and also too, today it is raining. I always put on these pants whenever it rains because the water just slicks right off. Good morning and happy Thursday for me. Fun news. We might go into another lockdown. We got the announcements today actually, so depending on when they start, it could affect this work week because tomorrow's Good Friday. Don't know. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. But nevertheless, let's look at today's outfit then. Today I put on this black lawn sleeve top. It's from Winners, but it's from the brand Studio. And then these jeans are like Wrangler jeans. My friend and I went thrifting one time and she told me that these are like really good jeans apparently. And also I like the baggy look sometimes. So today I'm going for that. Yeah, the mask for today, I should have been doing this entire time frame. A black and white zebra one. But if you want me in the future to like feature masks if I'm gonna leave the house. This entire week I haven't been that chatty, so sorry about this video. I wanted to do this week because I was like, oh, like Good Friday, so I can like wear color, but I'm probably gonna still wear some black. So I just got this in the mail. It was my birthday this past weekend for me, and my friend got me this jacket from the Pokemon company, like the Pokemon Center store thing. And you know how the Pokemon is turning 25 this year? Yeah, I turned 25 this year. This jacket, oh, it is comfy as frick. Oh, this was a good idea. Pokemon's 25th anniversary. I was born the same year as Pokemon. I'm actually like legitimately just a month after Pokemon was made. Yeah. Is that actually true? Yeah, not really much drawstring action going on here. I just love this detailing. Like, I'm gonna wear it the other way too, But this to me is like so cool. I'm also right now I'm going through like a lightning bolts thing on like my Instagram and social media. So like this heavily on brand for me right now. I have to go up to a bus coming in like 5 minutes usually from now, so I should go. Hello and day 4 I think of this video. Today's outfit, I'm wearing the Alicia Marie So Extra sweatshirt and the Alicia Marie joggers. Admittedly, I fell asleep in this last night and I'm gonna stain it today. The hat, the sweatshirt, the joggers, the shoes I'm wearing because I'm heading out to my parents' house. Adidas Original Superstars. Welcome to me packing up my shit from the salon. This is the salon I work at. This week just fell upon being the lockdown week. There was rumors about it. I did think it would happen. Only the other week too, I thought maybe it wouldn't, just like maybe very limited capacities. But we're locked down. I'm packing up, and I figured I'd talk about my outfit while we're doing it. So the hat is the Alicia Marie one from her shopaliciamarie.com store. My top is an Adidas like sports bra thing because it's gonna be like very hot today apparently. Figure, you know, bring something that is good for hot weather. The jacket is the Pokemon one from a few days ago. I really like it. It's comfy. Same Adidas leggings too. It has like a little mesh thing on the side, which I really like. Super cute in my opinion. Are people really calling the shop? Like, I'm just here to pack up my shit. Because I can't even book people in. If anything, I can answer a question, but that's it. What do I feel like I had more stuff last time? Brush up there, forgot about that one. My shoes are the Adidas Superstar Original, guys. I wear them a lot naturally, so I just have them on right now. And also, I forgot to mention it, but the curls, I just brushed them out. And actually for that one, I did do it here. I came early one day. I'm gonna make a video on how I do it, but I use a 1.25 inch. So that's it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you're still here, you're a true homie, you're a true MVP. I love you so much. And just thank you for sticking around this long. I know my videos are long, but yeah, just thanks for watching and thanks for being here. And if you like my vibe, my style, anything, like the video, subscribe maybe. It really helps me out a lot. But with all that, I will let you go. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.